Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
And welcome to Home on the Hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you, or you're interested in RV travel,
hang out with us for a little while and let us answer some questions for you. Today
we are at the farm and we are visiting the cute little newborn baby goats.
Oh,
and we have a little surprise for you today.
Yeah. Goats.
Goats in pajamas.
Yep.
Mimic.
What do you think about it? Oh yeah. Oh, run, run, run. Yum, yum, yum. Yelling.
How could you not love that?
Oh, she's so sweet.
All right, it's gone. It's gone.
I don't think so. Now watch it waddle.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Look at you now. What you done to yourself? Oh.
Yeah, right.
I can't. She's like, nope. That ain't gonna work. Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Aren't you so precious? There you go. Excuse me, that's not for you. Did you run off with some pajamas? Are you picking out your outfit? Yes. Oh, you look so cute. You look so cute.
She's like, where's my bottle? This is where the
Woo! Don't bother me. Okay, we gotta put his back legs in.
Huh?
His back legs.
Oh, they gotta go. Okay, okay.
Don't get kicked in the face.
Excuse me.
What the hell?
Okay. Yeah, please don't pee in my face. Hi. How you doing?
Oh, God.
Hey, buddy.
Here you go. You're gonna get a Christmas letter.
It says,
Woo. Yeah. Oh, we got some new takers over there.
Boy. Oh, it's okay. I know.
Don't be ugly. This one's getting his pajamas chewed on. I'm trying to help you out, son.
Are you trying to steal his clothes?
You look like you could just not care less about what we're going to do to you.
Oh, he's pretty stiff.
Are you having fun yet?
This is fun. I know. So it'll be over just in a minute. It will. Yes.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Not sticking around for a pet.
No. Hey. There you go. Me next. My turn. Hi.
Baby.
Yeah, who's a pretty baby?
Yes.
Yeah? Me? You? You the pretty baby?
Hi.
Hey, that one is so mean.
Yeah.
just because somebody's gotten some nice clothes on doesn't mean...
Right. Hi, come on back, baby. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh. I got him by the collar.
Oh no, y'all put him on a bigger goat?
Yeah, we're gonna try it on Luke.
Oh, look, why are you putting Luke in a pink?
Because he's one of the
If the goat fits, wear it.
the girls.
Oh my God.
You don't know.
Luke, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. He's a good boy.
Luke. No.
Come here, babies.
Just a hoodie. Guys were fun.
Come here. Hi. How you? Mwah.
Oh, yeah. Give it.
Oh, it's so pretty. I want it to yell.
Going to yell.
To bleat.
What are you doing? Goats in pajamas. Goats in pajamas. This is going to be the funnier part, is trying to get them off. And now they're like, hey, I like these.
They're like, we're used to this now.
I like my pajamas. You can't have my
I can't
pajamas.
grab a hold of them. Meh. Come here.
Go get it, Melissa. You're going to have to go grab it.
It runs off.
Go grab it.
I can't. It keeps running off.
Don't take my pajamas. Don't take my pajamas. Don't sneak up on Sharky Shark. Not doing anything. Just gonna come walk and run away.
I know.
So Sarah's going to be saying, hey, you remember that one time we put pajamas on the goats? We're not doing that again.
Don't ever do that again.
Ah! They like...
Slippery. Okay, we've had our workout for the day.
All right, so maybe we'll get lucky and this will go viral for both of us.
Melissa and Thomas are never allowed to come back to the farm again.
That was fun.
It was fun.
Oh, thank you for letting me do that. Thank you so much.
We work our butts off out here, and it's good to have fun.
Right. And then you get to have fun with your work.
You traumatized to go.
Yeah.
All the
They got
parents are
their
like,
socialization for the day.
well, how was goat pajamas?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I had so much fun. It was great.
Get that up there.
It went much better than I anticipated,
Did it?
though. Yeah.
'Cause-
Yeah, except for taking them off. I didn't really think that was going to be
Taking
a
them off
problem.
was worse than putting them on.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my gosh, the farm.
What we
Isn't
did
that
not
great?
anticipate was the mothers not recognizing
Yeah.
their kids
Yeah, they didn't really like that.
in baby shark pajamas. So the mothers were like, yeah, get away.
Trying to chew them off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Fun from the farm.